Alright, who gave him sugar? I mean, that's the second time he's gonna poop today. He's probably having diarrhea. Why would you make that up? Why would you make that up? I don't know. Who gives a crap? I mean, you split into three. You blow up. Hey! I don't fart. I mean, you're a bomb, for crying out loud. And you just make noises. And he poops crap every 2 seconds. Ah! My gosh. What do you think the pigs? What do you think the pigs are doing? I don't know. I don't know. Wow, so dumb. Now I'm gonna go search for the pigs. Okay. Are the pigs up here?
Listen, you have to answer this stuff, honey.
I need pigs. I need the pigs. Where's the pigs? You know what? I'm just gonna go back here. Oh! I can't find the pigs, but I think so. Okay, didn't find our secret headquarters, boss. Okay, that's good. Boss, what do you fucking want from my life? I mean, why do we keep saying frickin'? What do you want from my frickin' life? I forgot what I was gonna say. You're a dumb head. You're a stupid head. I hate you. You said I am! Oh. That freaking hurt. How did it go? Oh, I think I see him. There's Pig, the regular pig. Where's Pig? Oh. I don't know. Me neither. Poop. Come in. Poop. Poop. Poop coming in! Oh, again with the crapping stuff. I mean, we have to get some stuff. No, let's have. You know what? This is wearing me out. What are you gonna do? I don't know! Yeah, don't go crazy. Don't go crazy, man. I'll blow up on you. I don't give a crap. Uh-oh. Oh, no, man! Oi. Okay, let's do it! Oh, man, where'd he go, Dave? That's what you get for pushing me, son of a gun. What do you want to do for life? I don't know. Wanna play tag? Sure. Tag, you're it. Tag. Okay, stop! Line up in order. We act like childhood babies. Someone, you may not want to go in there for a couple of days, man. Woo, it smells in there. You know what? Okay, what do you guys just want to do? Instead of instead of play hide and seek or tag. Why don't we just you know what? Where's our eggs? I've been looking for our eggs for a while. I hid them. No way I can know. Ah! What the fuck? Ross, who turned the lights out? I mean, what the frick? Oh, why does it keep coming out? Why does it keep coming out of my mouth? Hey, where'd White go? Oh, man. The bathroom. I just blew up the toilet. Oh, come on, Dan! Come on, Dan. Come on, Whitebird. Ah! We bought... Oh, okay. I just don't know what to say. I feel embarrassed. You know what? I'm just gonna go. Bye. I'm gonna go get something. Okay, I'm back. Oh, you got a computer! Ah! Give me. Give me. Give it. Give me on. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Hey, where's Blackbird? I hear it. Okay, let's watch the videos. Let's watch Wreck the Halls. Maybe that would be funny. Why isn't it working? No, let's watch Year of the Dragon. Year of the Dragon, why won't it click? Word. What do you want to do? What? Just type in. Okay, me first. You're one line up. Okay, me first. Wait, who put in Madden 12? Me, I was playing it earlier. Why is he Madden? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna play this. Of. What's on the computer? I just videos. I think that's boring. I gotta go take a crap. What the? You know, what the hell is this? He's pumping every 2 minutes. Oh, what? He's got to see something for that. Yeah, he really did. Yes, he did. Hey, where did everyone go? Right here. Okay, sorry, we're back. Finally. I mean, you're weird. You're a gay person, Bluebird. You know that you're a gay person. Wow, that was weird. Oh, man. No, let's just shut it off. Do it again. It's not working. Oh, what? Loading. Bingo. Birds. You're the dragon. Finally. freaking work. Oh, what the hell? No. Ew, ooh! Why is there a camera? Move.